Good morning, everyone. It is a moment of immense pride for Chandigarh University as it emerges as the overall champion at 39th Association of Indian University for North Zone Youth Festival 2025-2026 hosted by Chitkara University, Rajpura. This prestigious achievement showcased the dedication and talent of the students who represented Chandigarh University with talent and distinction. The overall championship stands as a powerful reflection of the exceptional talent, relentless dedication, and collective spirit of CU students, who represented the university with confidence, discipline, and artistic brilliance. Competing on such a large platform requires more than just skill, it demands perseverance, teamwork, and unbreakable commitment to excellence. As the celebrations unfold at Block A1, the atmosphere on campus is filled with excitement and pride. This very location marks the beginning of a victory procession that will move towards the main ground, symbolizing not just a celebratory march but a journey of hard work, sacrifices, and dreams realized. Each step of the procession echoes the efforts of countless hours spent in practice halls, auditoriums, and rehearsal rooms.
At present, I'm standing at Block A1 from where the victory procession will start moving to the main ground to celebrate the remarkable success.
Behind this victory lies a vibrant cultural ecosystem nurtured by the university, one that encourages creativity, discipline, and innovation. Students from diverse backgrounds came together with a shared purpose to perform not just as individuals but as ambassadors of Chandigarh University's cultural legacy. As celebrations continue across the campus, students, faculty members, and cultural coordinators are rejoicing together, reliving moments of triumph and emotional performances. The joy is not confined to the winners alone. It is shared by every mentor who guided the students, every coordinator who ensured seamless preparation, and every supporters who believed in the team.
Chandigarh University has once again showcased cultural excellence by securing the overall championship at the 39th AIU North Zone Youth Festival. The competition witnessed participation from top universities across the region, making CU's win truly commendable.
This historic win has placed Chandigarh University at the forefront of the North Zone cultural landscape. Students from diverse disciplines united with the single mission to represent Chandigarh University with honor and to redefine standards of cultural performance. Students from diverse disciplines united with a single mission to represent Chandigarh University with honor and to redefine standards of cultural performance. Team CU won the overall trophy by winning first position in 11 categories, second position in 5 categories, third position in 3 categories, fourth position in 2 categories, fifth position in 5 categories, taking the total number of prizes won at the festival to 27. This apart, Chandigarh University became overall champions with first prize in overall music, overall literary and overall fine arts, and third prize in overall dance and cultural procession. Chandigarh University secured first position in folk orchestra, western instrumental solo, classical instrumental solo, creative choreography, general quiz, elocution, elocution English, debate English, poster making, cartooning, and rangoli. Chandigarh University secured second position in classical vocal solo, Hindustani and Karnataki, western vocal solo, western group song, collage and debate. Chandigarh University secured third position in classical instrumental solo, one act play, and clay modeling. Chandigarh University delivered stellar performances across multiple disciplines, securing first positions in events like folk orchestra, creative choreography, general quiz, elocution in Hindi and English, debate in English, poster making, cartooning, and rangoli. The vibrant Haryanvi folk orchestra Kallu Ki Chaupal won hearts and the top spot by celebrating Haryana's raw cultural rhythm. Meanwhile, the powerful creative choreography Kachra portrayed the harsh reality of abandoned children in urban slums, delivering a socially conscious and emotionally stirring message. CU also secured second position in Western group song with the soulful performance Chorus of Praise along with several other podium finishes. Expressing pride over the historic win, Senior Managing Director Dipinder Singh Sandhu said that lifting the overall North Zone AIU trophy for the fifth time reflects the exceptional versatility and dedication of Chandigarh University students. He credited the achievement to the students' hard work and the constant support of faculty and the staff. A NAC A+ grade and QS World ranked university, Chandigarh University is the youngest private university in Punjab to achieve this honor, offering over 109 UG and PG programs and consistently being recognized for the best placements, reinforcing its reputation as a hub of excellence in academics, culture, and creativity.
Behind me, celebrations are underway as students, faculty members, and cultural coordinators come together to celebrate historic win that has placed Chandigarh University at the forefront of North Zone cultural landscapes.
Each category demanded excellence of the highest order. Musical performances that stirred souls, literary expressions that challenged thought, fine arts that spoke without words, and dance performances that combined grace with power. In every arena, CU students delivered performances that left judges and audiences spellbound.
Chandigarh University dominated in several major categories, securing the first position in music, literary, fine arts, while achieving the third position in overall dance, highlighting the cultural brilliance of the Chandigarh University.
Hi, my name is Deepika. So we are champions. Creative choreography में हमने participate किया था and we won first prize over there. After all, we worked so hard for it and we are so happy. And अब ये सब celebration हो रहा है तो हमें बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा आ रहा है. Yay! After all, we are champions.
Behind the celebrations, one can witness emotions overflowing, cheers, applause, and proud smiles. Students, faculty members, and cultural coordinators stand shoulder to shoulder, celebrating not just a win but a collective dream realized. This historic triumph has firmly placed Chandigarh University at the forefront of North Zone's cultural landscape.
Winning at such a prestigious platform demanded unity, passion, and discipline. Monthly rigorous practices, late night rehearsals, continuous mentorships help us load to deliver our best performances. This victory is dream come true for all of.
So my name is Abhishek Kumar Sharma and मैंने डांस में परफॉर्म करा था इस AIU में और हमने बहुत हार्ड वर्क करा लाइक दिन रात 12 घंटे हमने प्रैक्टिस करी, बहुत ऊंची नीचे देखी, दर्द देखा, रोए, हंसे, साथ टीम साथ लगी रही हर दिन हर रात और आखिरकार आज ये देख करके हमें महसूस हो रहा है कि हाँ हमने जितना हार्ड वर्क करा हमें सूद समेत वापस मिल गया. Thank you.
But victories of the magnitude are forged long before the spotlight shines. Month of relentless preparation, endless rehearsals, late night practice sessions, and unwavering discipline formed the backbone of the success. Students pushed themselves beyond exhaustion, driven by the passion and the dream of bringing glory to the university. Guiding them every step of the way were dedicated faculty members and cultural trainers, refining skills, shaping performances, and instilling confidence. Their mentorship transformed potential into performance and performance into victory.
Hi, good afternoon everyone. I am Siddhartha Bakshi from Chandigarh University and I am a second year CSC student here. I am very proud to share कि अभी हम AIU North Zone 2026 Championship में जीत के आए हैं और मैंने वहाँ पे थिएटर कैटेगरी में वन एक्ट प्ले में पार्टिसिपेट किया था and I am very proud to tell you कि हमने वो जीता और ओवरऑल चैंपियनशिप हम लेकर आए अपने घर अपने CU. I am very excited for nationals. हमारे नेशनल्स मार्च में चेन्नई में है और बस हम वहाँ से भी ओवरऑल लेके आने में बस अब कुछ ही दिन बाकी है एंड द स्पिरिट इज़ वेरी हाई. ऑल थैंक्स टू चंडीगढ़ यूनिवर्सिटी ढाका. बस मैं यही कहना चाहूँगी कि मैं बहुत ओवरवेल्म फील कर रही हूँ कि हमारा इतना अच्छा वेलकम किया. कौन सी यूनिवर्सिटी करती है बट खैर, और अपने घर हम ट्रॉफी आए हैं, बहुत अच्छा फील हो रहा है एंड द स्पिरिट इज़ वेरी हाई. थैंक यू.
Every performance carried the pride of Chandigarh University. Standing on national stage, securing position was an excellent experience. The university won total 32 medals, including 11 golds, 5 silvers, 4 bronze medals, along with 2 fourth position and 5 fifth position, which reflect consistency, excellence across categories.
तो फाइनली हम लोग आ चुके हैं ओवरऑल चैंपियनशिप
जीत के चितकारा यूनिवर्सिटी से। और हर बार की तरह इस बार भी हमारा कॉलेज फिर से ओवरऑल चैंपियन बन चुका है। मेरा नाम है सूरज और मैं थिएटर कैटेगरी से था और मैंने वन एक्ट में पार्टिसिपेट किया था और काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है, काफ़ी अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस है। और जीतने के बाद अभी ये जश्न, ये उत्साह सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं हम, और एक एक करके मेरे सारे भाई अभी बताएंगे आपको कि उन्होंने क्या क्या किया था।
नमस्कार सभी को, मैं देवाशीष हजारिका, मैं असम से हूँ। ये मेरा तीसरा साल था AIU में। मैं म्यूज़िक टीम से हूँ। मैंने ऑर्केस्ट्रा और वेस्टर्न ग्रुप सॉन्ग में पार्टिसिपेट किया था और काफ़ी अच्छा रहा है एक्सपीरियंस, और बस आज खुशी का माहौल है।
नमस्कार सभी को, मेरा नाम श्रेयस है और मैं थिएटर टीम से हूँ और ये मेरा पहला ही साल था और मैं वन एक्ट प्ले का पार्टिसिपेंट था और बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है जीत के। हम पहली बार मतलब मैं ये सब कर रहा हूँ तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है और बस यही है यार, खुशी सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं। आप सभी को भी कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन, आप सब जीते हैं, चंडीगढ़ यूनिवर्सिटी जीती है।
नमस्कार सभी को, मेरा नाम दिगान भट्टाचार्य है, मैं वेस्ट बंगाल से हूँ। मैं लिटरेरी टीम का पार्ट हूँ और पिछले 2 साल से इस साल भी हमने क्विज में फर्स्ट ट्रॉफी जीती, उसके साथ साथ लिटरेरी ओवरऑल और नॉर्थ जोन ओवरऑल जीत रहे हैं पिछले 2 साल से। तो बहुत ही खुशी की बात है कि घर की ट्रॉफी घर वापस ले आए।
मेरा नाम आलम राशिद है और मैं थिएटर कैटेगरी से था और इस ट्रॉफी से सबसे बड़ी अचीवमेंट ये है मेरे लिए कि मैं केडी सर की टीम में था। थैंक यू सो मच केडी सर और थैंक यू चंडीगढ़ यूनिवर्सिटी इतने प्यारे से अपॉर्चुनिटी हमें देने के लिए ताकि हम नेशनल्स में गए और ट्रॉफी जीत कर आए। थैंक यू सो मच।
और बस अब हम आ रहे हैं नेशनल्स जीतने के लिए, तो तैयार हो जाएं सारे कॉलेजेस, क्योंकि CU हर बार की तरह इस बार भी चैंपियन था, चैंपियन है और चैंपियन रहेगा।
This achievement is not just a win for the students but for the whole Chandigarh University community. It sets a new benchmark for cultural excellence and serves as an inspiration for future participants. With the remarkable performances and unbreakable spirit, Chandigarh University continues to shine on national platforms. With cameraman Abhijit, this is Niharika Raj Thakur reporting from CU Roundup.